Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use palm gesture to take selfie photo or record video on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to do this, first of all open camera app. Now open the front camera. After opening the front camera, click on the settings icon and then scroll down, and here click on shooting methods. Now in shooting methods, here you will see a show palm button. So turn on this button. After turning on this button, just simply show your palm to the camera to take selfies or start recording selfie videos. Now go back to the camera app. Now in the camera app, just simply show your palm to the front camera to take selfie photo or video. So you can see that's how it works with your palm. So to start a selfie video, go to the video mode, and now when you will show your palm, it will start recording. So that's how you can take selfie photo and videos with palm gesture on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.